How to list property on booking.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can list property on booking.com, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to list a property on booking.com, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go to booking.com, then tap the three lines option from the top right. Then here you'll find the option saying list your property, so just tap on it. And once you tap the list your property option, you will see this interface where you simply want to scroll and you'll find get started now. So tap on get started now. Now all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the email address associated with your booking.com account, or you can go ahead and create a new one. And then after that you should be able to create a listers account, and then you should be able to list your properties, or you can just tap the sign in option to sign in using an email or so on. This way you should be able to go ahead and then list your property on booking.com. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.